Hi guys, I'm making a cake. I'm actually live right now when I'm recording this. So, hello. So if you hear me talking to the camera, I'm actually live, okay? So I'm making a cake for Leo. So it's like American birthday cake. So I need 3 eggs. I always put the liquid into the pot, and if you guys are ever in my live event and you're speaking a different language, and if I'm not responding, it's because of you typing in different language. So I'm cracking 3 eggs. I always wash my hands after I take eggs. And then I need oil. I'm gonna be right there, guys. This one asks for 1/4 cup of oil, and the same for the water. So now I'm going to spray this glass pan. Okay. Whatever kind of pan that you like, spray, okay? That's the best idea. And then I always put the liquid stuff into the bowl before I start mixing. So now I'm going to put the mixer into the bowl. Then I always mix it up, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it gets done into the pot. Okay. Make sure you put the oven on for complete heat. Okay. So right now, that's what it looks like. Okay, right now. And I'll see this video when I get done. Okay? Otherwise, see you guys soon. Bye. Hi guys, this is what it looks like to cool down. If you do like this as a pan, I would have done 50 minutes to make it look like that, okay? That's what I would have done. So, I'm getting the frosting out here and onto the cake. But my husband's the one that's going to spread it. Okay. He'll be out here in a few minutes. So, give me a minute. Okay, the cake is ready for you. Do you hear me? Yeah. About the cake? Because I'm doing the video. He didn't realize I was doing a video. Okay.
While I'm doing this, could you get my medicine?
Okay.
Hi everybody. Nice to see you all. I'm going to frost the cake.
Yeah, so I'm going to look like people. And I'm going to show you guys when it gets done what it looks like.
Yeah, and she makes the cake and I do the frosting. I frost the cake. That's a good partnership.
But when we move into like a big old place, that we're going to do a lot more cooking and all that.
Yeah. Me too. Since we have a very dinky place.
On each of our channels that we have, you see each one. So, see, look, that's what he's doing.
Right after this, we'll go to my live.
Yeah.
Because we want to lay down.
That's what I'm saying. Well,
but otherwise, guys, I hope that everybody's enjoying this. We try to do things, but we're limited on funds and everything.
yeah, that's why I always say if you ever did want to help us cook,
Get
more,
us the supply.
like more things to cook. On each of our accounts, like he has a Cash App on his account. I have both Cash App and PayPal on mine. So if you ever want to help,
We're going with the
okay. If you ever want to help us to actually cook more often on our channels, our main channels, let us know. So it's up to you if you want to help, but not the other way to help. Start passing our account around, okay? All of them. Otherwise, see you guys soon. Bye.